Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to dine, our reason to enjoy. Good company and wine. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Okay na. O sige, samagsak tayo. Long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Jufair Chapter! Long live Omega Psi Chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all.
Long live!
Oh, long live tayo. Long live! Kailangan talaga yung energies mo na i-warm up ang bawat isa. Once again, good evening, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the much anticipated Alpha Kaparo 53rd Founding Anniversary Celebration. And we are live here at Majestic Hotel near Jufair. We would like to acknowledge our two chapters, the Jufair and the Omega Psi chapter. Palakpakan mo dyan! By the way, my name is Jose Stanley, and I will be your host for tonight's event. And now, I would love to feel everybody's energy and excitement. How about we can start this lovely program with a big round of applause. Parinig naman ang isang malakas na malapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Parang kulang para sa likod, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Lahat tayo, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan.